Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg cream coffee. First, gather your ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, 1 cup of cold whole milk, 1/2 cup of strong cold brew coffee, and 1/2 cup of seltzer or club soda. This classic New York treat is surprisingly simple to create at home. The key is using quality ingredients and combining them in the right order for that perfect frothy texture. Let's get started on this delightful beverage. Now, let's build the foundation for your delicious egg cream coffee. Take a tall glass and add 2 tablespoons of your favorite chocolate syrup to the bottom. Next, carefully pour in 1/2 cup of strong, cold brewed coffee. Use a spoon to gently stir these 2 ingredients together until the chocolate syrup is fully dissolved and well combined with the coffee. This creates a rich, flavorful base for your drink. This next step is crucial for achieving the iconic frothy top of an egg cream coffee. Slowly pour 1 cup of cold whole milk into your glass, mixing it gently with the coffee and chocolate base. Then, quickly add 1/2 cup of seltzer or club soda. The rapid addition of the seltzer is what creates that beautiful, foamy head without needing any actual egg. Enjoy the visual transformation. Your homemade egg cream coffee is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience the perfect balance of flavors and that delightful frothy texture. Remember, the key is not to stir the finished drink, as this will collapse the beautiful foam you've worked to create. Just sip and savor this classic New York beverage. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.